Introducing BlindMatrix version 4 CRM, the next generation software specially tailored for your window blinds business. Starting with the job page, you can access all relevant information from a single screen by tracking the consolidated job history along with associated timelines. Additionally, you can easily access details related to appointments, tasks, prices, and payments. This provides enhanced visibility and faster job processing, ensuring a comprehensive overview and efficient order management. An insightful feature, the dashboard allows you to easily customize and configure views for managers, sales reps, installers, accountants, and more depending on your needs. This helps in tracking the performance of your entire team, enhancing accountability and efficiency. Furthermore, the Google Maps integrated smart calendar optimizes routes and provides a plan for sales reps and installers on where to start their visits and where to go next. The software can also automate appointment allocation based on the territory assigned to each rep. This helps your sales reps and installers complete more jobs in less time, saving travel time and reducing fuel costs. But that's not all. You can craft email flyers using our intuitive drag-and-drop feature to create professional-grade templates. This allows you to easily send email flyers with great designs without needing expertise in HTML coding. In addition, you can create automated workflows to trigger actions or calculations based on previous activities or stages. For example, if a quote is not converted within 3 days, a follow-up email will be automatically sent to the prospect and a task will be assigned to the sales rep. Another example is that whenever an appointment is created, your customer will be informed and reminded about it. This reduces manual effort and human error. Moreover, the software will display the product images in the quotations for each line item. You can also add a Pay Now button to provide easy access for the customer to make faster payments. This enhances clarity in your quotes regarding what is offered to the customer, increasing the chances of conversion. Additionally, the BlindMatrix software integrates with all major suppliers via EDI, incorporating their product catalogs to ensure you always have the latest products, prices, fabrics, and components. This seamless integration allows you to send purchase orders with the click of a button, eliminating the need for manual data entry into the supplier's portal. Hope this video was helpful for you. Perhaps a demo from our team can help you learn more about our new software version 4. All you need to do is send us an email at sales@blindmatrix.com. Thank you. Have a great day.